As a web developer, which image format are you supposed to use for your website to get better performance? Let's find out in this tutorial. Hello guys, my name is Swadik and I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the image format you should be using for your websites if you want to get better performance. There are different image formats you can use for your website, but I will talk about only two in this tutorial, where we have JPEG and PNG. Now, if you want to get better performance on your websites, always go in for JPEG. And the reason is that JPEG has a smaller file size as compared to PNG. An image with the same dimensions of JPEG and PNG will have different sizes, and PNG will happen to have the higher size. But there are instances you may want to use PNG, that is for your logos. But for images you'll be uploading onto your web pages, always go in for JPEG so that you get better performance for your website. I conducted an experiment where I used Canva to design my featured images. An image with 700 by 450 dimension is having the size of 102 kilobytes when I save it as JPEG. But with the same file I saved as PNG, I had about 982 kilobytes. You see the difference. So my advice is that always go in for JPEG for your web pages if you want to get better performance. I hope you found value. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching.